Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'll show you how to remove Google account from an Android phone. If you have signed in your own account or your family member Google account in your Android phone, and after finishing the work you want to remove your or your family member account, so you will face problem while removing that account. Before moving further, like this video, click on subscribe button, and you have to click on the notification icon, click on all, so you will get the notifications for all the upcoming videos. In this video we'll show you very easy steps to remove Google account from your Android phone. So first of all, we'll open Play Store and show you the account. Right now you can see we are signed in with Tech Expert 2K20 account to Google Play Store. We'll click on our account, and here you can see further so many accounts we are logged in. So we want to remove this Tech Expert 2K20 account from our Android phone. So what you have to do, you have to close. So you will not find any way from Play Store. So you have to close Play Store, and then you have to open Gmail. From here you have to tap on your profile pic, and then you have to scroll down. Here at the last you will see manage accounts on this device. Tap on it, and then here you will find all of your Google accounts that you have used to sign in to this device. Now you have to select the Google account that you want to remove from your Android phone. So we want to remove this account. We'll tap on it, and then here you will find remove account. In some devices you will find the remove account tab in the bottom. So you just have to tap on remove account tab. A pop-up notification will appear. You have to tap on remove, and here you can see our account is now successfully removed. Now we'll open Play Store, and here you can see our account is also removed from Play Store also. Now Play Store will ask for an account to sign in. So in the same way you can also remove Google account from an Android phone. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.